Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shahzwan bin Shahram. I will be doing the test automation script for the GDRSM test case. GDRSM test case that I will be doing is the add new resources into the system test case. And the first thing that we need to do in order to create the test automation script is to record the web. From here, when clicking on the web record in the Katalon, we can insert the URL of the hosted web, which currently is hosted in the localhost, and we can click on record to start recording the process. Right here we can click on expand to see any action that has been done into the newly pop up browser will be recorded into this web recorder. So the first thing that we need to do is to enter into the system using the valid credential. And the next thing that we need to do is to navigate to the add resources page from the dashboard. Right here we can click on the resources to navigate there. And from here we can click on the add new resources button on the top side of the screen, and it will pop up new form, which is the add new resource form. In this form we can type in the name of the resource. So for example, this is the sample resources one, and we can select the file, and for the description this is a test resource. On the owner part, it is automatically decided by the system itself, so we don't need to click on it or change anything about it. For the link, you can click here and see the link. For the session and semester, we can select the available session and semester, folder, and the category. So in order to see that this test case working or not, we can click on save. After clicking on save, it should verify that resource is saved into the database. And yeah, here is a resource done. So right here we can see that there are many sample resources that has been entered into the system. And then the web recorder, from the web recorder itself, you can click on save script to save the test that has been done earlier into the system, which will then generate the test script itself. Okay, right here we can see that the add resource test case has been added with bunch of test item, and from there we can click on this button here, which is to run the test automation script that has been done. For this add resource test case, we can click here to see whether the test resource test case is run successfully or not. Okay, we can see that it has added some new test case, some new resource, and we can try it again. Okay, right here we can see that earlier there is only 3 sample resource in the second page, but now there is 4, which say that it has entered the sample resource 1 successfully into the system, which means that the test case is passed when it is run by the automation software. So that's it for my part. Thank you.